South Korean ISP accused of installing malware on devices of 600,000 who used torrenting services. South Korean telecom giant KT is under investigation for allegedly hacking 600,000 customers using torrent services, aiming to reduce network costs. KT allegedly deployed malware to monitor and control BitTorrent traffic, affecting numerous PCs. The scandal raises serious legal and ethical concerns about privacy and corporate responsibility, damaging KT's reputation. Exploring memory safety in critical open-source projects, a guide by CISA and partners. CISA, FBI, ACSC, and CCCS released guidance on tackling memory safety vulnerabilities in critical open-source software projects. Their report highlights that 52% of analyzed projects use memory unsafe code, urging organizations to prioritize memory safety and collaborate with the OSS community to enhance software security. Evolve Bank confirms data breach, customer information exposed. Evolve Bank and Trust confirmed a cyber attack by the Lockbit hacker group, exposing customers' personal information, including names, social security numbers, and account details, on the dark web. The bank is investigating, involving law enforcement, and offering affected customers credit monitoring and identity theft protection services. AzzaSec, NoName Cyberattackers join hands to potentially target Pro-Ukriane allies. Italian hacktivist group AzzaSec has teamed up with Russian cyberattackers NoName 05716, potentially increasing cyberattacks on Ukraine and its allies amidst the Russo-Ukrainian war. This alliance raises concerns about the sophistication and scale of future cyber threats. Critical SQL injection vulnerability exposes Fortra FileCatalyst workflow. A critical SQL injection flaw, CV 2024-5276, in Fortra FileCatalyst workflow allows remote attackers to create unauthorized admin accounts and manipulate the database. Discovered by Tenable, this vulnerability affects versions up to 5.1.6, build 135. Fortra has released a patch in build 139, urging all users to upgrade immediately. OpenAI's ChatGPT voice mode doesn't meet safety standards. Rollout pushed to July. OpenAI has delayed the rollout of its voice mode for ChatGPT by a month due to safety concerns, needing more time to enhance content detection and refusal. This follows the formation of a new safety and security committee. The delay also coincides with controversy over Scarlett Johansson's voice and potential regulatory issues with Apple. Apple rolls out critical AirPods firmware update to fix Bluetooth security flaw. Apple has released a critical firmware update for AirPods to address a Bluetooth vulnerability, CV 2024-27867, that could allow attackers to gain unauthorized access. This update affects AirPods, AirPods Pro, AirPods Max, Powerbeats Pro, and Beats Fit Pro. Users are urged to update their devices to ensure enhanced security and protection against potential cyber attacks. Data of 93,000 volunteers of India's NDMA allegedly put up for sale. A hacker claims to have breached India's National Disaster Management Authority, NDMA, accessing personal data of 93,000 volunteers. The data, which includes names, mobile numbers, and other critical records, is being sold on the dark web for $1,000. NDMA's website shows no signs of a breach, and the claims remain unverified. Dark web actor advertises a Google Chrome Sandbox escape exploit for $1 million. A dark web actor is selling a zero-day exploit for Google Chrome versions 126.0.6, 478.126, and 126.0.6, 478.127, targeting Windows 21H1 and 21H2. The exploit, capable of executing remote code and bypassing sandbox security, is priced at $1 million. The seller, identified as CTF, posted the exploit on the XSS forum without a proof of concept.